Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can merge your split clips in a CapCut PC apps. Okay, for example, I'm going to add some videos and photos to the track. Okay, so to merge the clips, to merge the split clips, you are just going to select all and right click, and you can select create component clip. So your split clips are merged. That's it. So it's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. So let's watching another video in my playlist on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.